Are you ready for the duel? Prepare your racket, because today we're going to play tennis. To play tennis, you need sharp eyes and lightning-fast hands. Let's practice the serve. Toss an imaginary ball way up high with one hand and hit it! Wow, what a powerful serve! You already look like a pro. Did you know that in the beginning there were no rackets? It all started back in the 11th century with European monks hitting the ball with their hands. The first big tournament was at Wimbledon in England in 1877. That was a long time ago, right? Today, it's practiced all over the world, a sport full of energy, movement, and fun. On clay, grass, and hard courts. Let's find out how to be a master of the yellow ball. The goal is simple. Send the ball over the net and score points with lots of strategy.
Hey, good morning.
You can play by yourself or in doubles with a friend. And there's something for everyone. The traditional style played on courts with elegant clothes. And there's also beach tennis with colorful outfits for those who love playing with their feet in the sand and being even closer to nature. Playing tennis gives you super reflexes. It improves your coordination and makes your body super strong. And the coolest part is that it teaches important values, like respect and teamwork. Plus, you'll make great friends on and off the court. But before the first serve, check your kit. Always wear the right shoes so you don't slip, light clothes, and don't forget your water bottle to stay hydrated. A champion always takes care of their health. Grab your racket, put a smile on your face, and come play with us. See you on the next master move at My First Sport. Bye-bye!